Pastor.
Yes, sir.
Representative Andaya has vowed to join Senators Lacson and Drilon in questioning before the Supreme Court the veto message of the President. Should it reflect the restoration of the 75 billion allegedly inserted by Budget Secretary Diokno? Because yesterday in a statement, Representative Andaya accused Cabinet Secretary Nograles and Diokno of orchestrating to restore the 75 billion. How does Malacanang view this possible questioning of the 2019 budget before the Supreme Court?
It's their right to question anything that they feel should be subject to a petition before the Supreme Court. That's their right. And in fact, that's their duty if they feel tama sila. Let the Supreme Court decide.
How about Malacanang's reaction that Cabinet Secretary Nograles and Secretary Diokno are orchestrating to restore the 75 billion allegedly described as a pork?
I'm sure Mr. Jokno and Mr. Nograles have the competence and the expertise to respond to the allegation of Mr. Andaya.
Will this not affect government programs if ever it will be questioned before the High Court?
I don't think so. Ang pag nag-file nga naman ng kaso, unless you're restrained by the Supreme Court.
Okay na,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, total nasa budget tayo. Viber question from Rosalie Cos. Anong masasabi tungkol sa mga pork insertions na nananatili pa rin umano sa budget 2019 ayon kay Lacson? Kailan po lalagdaan ng Pangulo ang budget?
Like I said before, yung sinasabing insertion, dati nang nandun yun na niredistribute lang. Number two, kailan pipirma? Malapit na siguro yun kung di ba gusto ni Presidente nga na ma-approve. So, it will be signed as a matter of course. But the President, as we said, will be scrutinizing every phase, every provision of the budget. He wants to be sure that it is in conformity with the Constitution. And he will veto anything that he feels is not correct or irregular.
Thank you, Secretary. Cedric, tungkol sa budget? Budget. Okay. After Cedric, last question kay Daniel. Sige
Parang
na, last question.
30 minutes ago, narinig ko na yung last question.
Hindi, sa ibang topic yun, sir. Sa ibang topic. May other matters. Sige, sa budget muna tayo. Sa Daniel, tapos Cedric. Budget din, Bernadette? Other matters.
Sir, good morning. Sir,
Good
hindi po ba
morning.
nakikitang unconstitutional yung parang kine-question ng mga lawmakers yung veto power ni Presidente? Sa palas po ba, hindi ba natin nakikitang masama ito?
How can you question a veto power that's lodged in the Constitution? It's there. It's a power of the President to veto. What they can do under the Constitution is to override the veto. You don't have to go to the Supreme Court. The President vetoes a measure, then Congress can override the veto by the required number of votes. May mechanism eh.
Okay na, Daniel. Sa budget, balik tayo kay Cedric after...